Sa inconsistency ng dalawang sisters, wala naman ako nakikita ng inconsistency because I heard the testimony of the two gurus, and I didn't find anything that will contradict their story. In fact, it's corroborative of each of their story. Each story.
So nagmamatch po.
Match, wala. Pero alam mo kasi, under our legal jurisprudence, minor inconsistencies cannot be prevented. So minor inconsistencies kasi even considered as the hallmark of truth. Kasi nga hindi mo gawa-gawa, so sometimes you forget about the details. But then, the general truth is, it's there. It's compatible in all aspects.
That's the reason kaya siguro nag-self-incriminate na lang siya. Para kahit paano hindi karoon ng medyo maliit na inconsistency.
No, ang self-incrimination kasi, we have to clarify that. She is a resource person, di ba? And my advice is for her to tell the truth. I am always consistent on that advice. And she really wants to tell the truth. And the problem is, the dilemma is, she is now facing string of cases. So I hope you understand that no person in his sane mind will testify against himself, against him or herself. Sino ang tao na magsasalita para idiin yung sarili niya? You have to understand that, di ba? Kung siguro wala siyang criminal cases, wala tayong problema about the proceedings in the Senate. Di ba?
Okay.
So for the camera sake, reacts na lang po dun sa sinabi ni Sen. Tolentino about yung jurisdiction. Kaninang
So, or
sa jurisdiction issue.
jurisdiction, criminal cases will always take precedence over any legislative inquiry. Diba? Although I agree that executive, judiciary, and legislative are co-equal, no? Pero with respect to the custody of criminal cases, courts will always have priority over any legislative inquiry.
Attorney, yung custody di ba mapupunta sa Senate pag nag-bail po siya? May plano ba siyang mag-bail?
May plano siyang mag-bail. Siyempre, paano siya makakalaya kung di siya mag-bail? No? But, we have to synchronize that. Kasi right now, the necessity of posting bail is not so urgent. Kasi nga, she will still remain in jail. So, bakit ka pa mag-bail, di ba? Unlike kung matapos na yung warrant niya sa Senate, yung kanyang detention, then sabay na lang yun. Madali lang mag-bail eh.
Attorney, binabanggit ni Mayor kanina wala daw siyang katulong na Pilipino o mga public officials sa pag-alis niya sa Pilipinas. Ganun ba talaga ang senaryo nung umalis siya dito sa Pilipinas?
Wala talaga siyang kasama. Sinabi naman niya, di ba? And I can vouch for that. Yun na sinabi niya sa Senate. Wala talaga. Kung ano yung sinabi niya, yun. Yun. Ang problema lang kasi, kung ano yung sinabi niya, hindi naman naniniwala. Yan ang problema, di ba? So siguro the better thing to do, kung hindi ako naniniwala sa sinasabi mo, sa court kasi hindi mo sasabihin nagsisinungaling ka. Ang sasabihin mo, okay, yan ang sinabi mo, you stick to that, but I will present my evidence. Ako, nagkiklaim ako na mali yung sinasabi mo, I have to present the evidence to show na ikaw, yung sinasabi mo, hindi totoo. Pero huwag mo sabihin, hindi ako naniniwala sa'yo, nagsisinungaling ka. Hindi dapat ganun yun, di ba? Kasi paano kung yun talaga yung sinasabi niya, di ba? You prove your case, not on the mouth of the other party, di ba? Ikaw mag-establish ng kaso.
Sir, nabanggit sa closing ni Senator Ontiveros na baka hindi lang immigration yung dapat imbestigahan, baka may iba pang mga kasabwat kasi nga dumaan siya sa port, baka may mga taga-Coast Guard din.
Actually, prerogative ng Senate kung sinong gusto nila imbestigahan. So, okay lang naman yun. Yun ang call nila eh. Yun ang kanilang solemn duty to investigate kung sino man may mga kalokohan.
Comment yun doon kay Coco Pimentel na ilabas daw yung mga abogado pagdating sa pagsasite into contempt.
Well, siyempre si Senator Coco Bartok, not sure yan, di ba? So, he's a lawyer and he's a well-respected lawyer, and for that, I'm very appreciative of his defense of the lawyer. Kasi kung ako pinagsalita yun, simple na naman sasabihin ko are you going to cite me in contempt for doing my legal duty? Di ba? If the client will ask me, what are my rights? Of course, I will tell my client, ito yung mga karapatan mo. Kung tatanungin ako ng kliyente ko, will I answer? Of course, ang sasabihin ko sa kanya, depende sa iyo. Kung gusto mong sumagot. Kasi ikaw, you alone has the right to waive or not to waive your right. I cannot teach you what to say. I cannot tell you what to say. What I can only tell to you is these are your rights under the law, diba? So, am I going to be cited in contempt for doing my job? That will be a very dangerous procedure. But fortunately, I was not even asked to explain. It was the good Senator Coco Pimentel who took the cudgel for the lawyers, and that's a very appreciated gesture on the part of a brother lawyer.
Pero attorney, anong next move nyo? Kasi yun nga, sabi ng gusto nila mapunta custody dito.
Well, wala kayong problema kung ano gusto nila. Basta it will be in accordance with the procedure. May problema doon, di ba?
Advantageous ba na dito siya o nasa doon siya sa Krame?
Well, lahat naman. On the matter of security, mas maganda yung PNP because sabi ko nga, I have long history of cases na na-handle ko, na-handle niya ng security. Okay naman yung PNP. So, wala nang problema doon, di ba? Hindi ko naman binibilitan yung interest nito. Senate, kaya naman nila. Pero kasi kung tatanungin, mas, ang opinion ko, mas secure siya.
Nako,